basic operations. First, create a new page. For example, select A3 page size, then click OK. Open a plug-in. This icon. The icon appears is a plugin. Click the icon, then click OK. Now the plugin function panel appears. First, load an image. Import it. If the image is not a bitmap, it needs to be converted to a bitmap. Select the image. Click Extract the contour. Now click Create Contour. The contour line will be automatically generated. If you need to modify the outline, expand or contract it, you can adjust it in the contour scaling factor field. One parameter is 0.1 mm. If you want to expand by 1 mm, then enter 10. Then click Create Contour again, and the contour expands as 1. If you need to shrink by 1 mm, enter -10. Create an outline, at which point the outline shrinks inward. These parameters can be left as default or adjusted as needed. After the contour is extracted, click OK. Now the contour line has been generated. You can hide the layer. Here is the contour line we extracted. Now select the contour line. The CDR has its own reduction nodes. Click. The number of nodes is significantly reduced. Then we proceed to layout. The first step is to set the contour line to be black. Now we can use our page tool. Horizontal and vertical spacing can be adjusted. For example, set it to 5 mm. Click OK. At this point, the page will be automatically filled according to the page size. Now we can check the layers. Layer 1 is the print layer. Trace layer is the contour layer. If everything is correct, you can add registration marks. Margins can also be adjusted. The minimum is 5. The maximum cannot exceed 10. The minimum macro size is 5, and the maximum is 7. You can also choose to add QR code here. Click OK. Now you can see the registration marks and QR code. The arrow direction points forward. This is the paper flip direction. When added, we can send it to print. Now we can perform the output operation. Click Registration Cutting Output. If sending via Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi. If using a network port, select TCP. Here you can set the IP address. These parameters include these functions, which can be ignored by default. Now we can check its sorting order. 点一下0. The first one at the bottom right is the first cutting order. You can press the down arrow key on the keyboard to sort. If you think the path order is unreasonable, click Path Sort. Check it again. This is an S-shaped path. If everything looks fine, click Save to USB. Click to save the USB stick file. Create a new folder. Folder, name HP_PLT. Save the file to this path. Click Save. Now the file has been saved to the USB drive. 可以把 U 盘取出，插到机器上进行切割。